Dito nagsimula yung pelikula. If you watch the film, nagsimula sa Malacca, Malaysia. Oh, yung unang hubad na babae, isang nomadic tribe dito yun eh. And then, the massacre of Malacca was the first part of the film. Dito unang umapak si Magellan eh. Bago umikot sila ulit. They were here 1509, 1511. Tapos binili niya ng 1511 si Enrique sa Malacca after the massacre of Malacca. And the Portuguese stayed there for 150 years. Bago pumalit yung mga Dutch and then English eventually. So yung Spanish, kaya na-divide yung peninsula, di ba? The Malay Peninsula is Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. And kasama yung Singapore, no, ng south of Thailand. Kinuha ng British yung Malaysia, kinuha ng Spanish yung archipelago natin, Indonesia, the Dutch. So, doon na-divide. Eh, kalahin natin lahat tumato.
Pero okay lang sa iyo, hindi pinalabas because of the...
Yeah, we respect the law. Yeah. Batas ng Sharia law yan. I grew up in a Muslim state in Maguindanao. So lahat it's all Sharia law dun sa amin din. So I can understand that. Ang daming mga restrictions, ang daming mga dapat hindi gawin.